we've got our June SnackCrate. So if you want to check out what's inside and what the destination is, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
She just is off of a 3-hour nap, but I said SnackCrate, and she said okay. So Danny's hanging out with us because you know he's going to try to beg for food that he can't have. And if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So what country do you think it is?
Somewhere in Europe.
Somewhere in Europe. Okay. I don't
Oh.
know. Now this is the June one, which I got like the beginning of July. So they are a little kind of behind maybe.
Well, I was kind of right. It says Britain colonized India, so technically it's European.
So namaste. It is India. And we
Not
have,
everybody is Buddhist.
it says right here, namaste, India.
That didn't say that.
Namaste. Right here. You don't have your glasses on. Namaste.
Ow.
This is going to be our chocolates wrapped up so that they didn't melt. And then we have our
So many chips.
so many chips. All right. So, do you want to take stuff out of the box?
Sure.
All right.
Oh, wow.
Maybe if you don't sit like that, you could actually put the box down
Why?
so that you'll have space to taste.
I will.
Okay. Here's the you want me to hold on to the chocolates, or?
Oh, yeah. That's it.
Okay, I'm
What
ready
should we do
for now.
first?
What's that?
What is that? There's more of them, too. Like 5 of them.
I don't know. It's a Chucky Chuck. All right, so I guess that's what we're starting with is our chocolate milk sticks.
Oh, it's like Nutella.
Here we go. Kind of got to squeeze it up.
Where's the white?
Like a vanilla. A white chocolate, maybe.
The brown is like Nutella.
Brown is chocolate.
Me tastes like Nutella, but
So it says, it's a deliciously creamy treat. These sticks are filled with smooth, rich, liquid chocolate. With every bite, you get a burst of chocolatey goodness. That's what it says. Taste it. Yeah, I approve. Very tasty. Danny would like to be able to approve, but he cannot have it. It's chocolate. Puppies can't have chocolate, silly boy.
what do you want to do next?
You pick.
Alright. Do you want to do savory or sweet?
It's up to you.
I want to do sweet.
Okay.
I'll just start with yours.
Uh-huh.
Then I'll try it. Please put this up to the side. Let's try this. Masala Magic.
All right, so these are by Lay's Magic Masala, and let's see. The Magic Masala blend combines over a dozen spices, including cumin, chili, black pepper, and garlic, making it one of the most complex seasoning profiles in the Lay's chipped lineup. I'm excited. Okay. I don't know, they don't smell great though. There. I just tried to eat my hand. That's my hand. You're getting a little saucy, so get off my lap. No, it didn't get saucy like that. So they are a ruffle chip.
That's very strange.
It is. I don't know that I like it.
There's a little bit of plastic taste to it. Isn't it?
It's just weird.
Minus the plastic taste, I like it, but there's something wrong with it. It tastes like plastic.
I like Indian spice, so I was really excited about these, but
I like the
No.
spice, but there's like a plastic aftertaste. Maybe it's just that bad. I don't know.
maybe it's mixing with the chocolate in my mouth. It's got some kick though. All right, now these are also by Lay's, and they're the West Indies Hot and Sweet chili. It looks like we're going to have some garlic flavoring in here. Let's hope these taste a little better. They smell better.
Smells a lot better.
These are also a ruffled chip.
It's a lot better.
Yeah, it is. That's very tasty. I like that.
Want to try something unique now?
Sure.
Alright. So there's these, which are used for yogurt, apparently. And there's this. Which you want to try.
Oh. Hot and spicy. So these bundi are tiny fried graham flour balls, lightly crunchy and coated in a peppery spice blend, often found floating in yogurt. I don't know that I would like that.
I'm thinking these.
Okay.
You open it or?
Sure. Those are the snack highlight, and it's a crunchy noodle made from chickpea flour and generously dusted with chili and turmeric. These crispy sticks pack serious heat and punch umami in every bite. We're not doing that. No.
Now this is good.
You are getting a little too aggressive with the food. So here is how they look inside. It's going to be hard to show you.
Oh, that was an aftertaste bit.
Because they kind of taste bland, first thing.
What?
They kind of...
No, but they have a kick to it. You gotta wait.
Okay.
Give yourself like a handful. You're not like a handful, but just like...
Well, I gave myself enough. I mean, there's definitely some after heat, but they're kind of bland to start. I would think they would be better on top of something.
Yeah.
To add crunch to something.
You want to stay on the savory or switch to sweet now?
Well, I don't like to go back and forth. So if there's anything else savory you want to try.
It's like a Mentos, I think.
So our drink is from the Coca-Cola Company, and it's just simply called Thumbs Up. So what that is and how that's going to taste, who knows? Whatever Thumbs Up tastes like. Ooh, you're going to like that.
It's like ginger ale. Oh.
It does not, it looks like cola coming out, but it smells, to me,
Like ginger ale.
citrusy.
To me, it smells like ginger ale.
Maybe it's like a cream soda.
Maybe.
Maybe I'm not right with the citrus smell, but... Alright, so here's how it looks.
No, let's go.
Not exactly.
Wow, that easily cuts down on the heat, though.
It does. It's a spiced cola. It's Coca-Cola with a bold twist of Indian spices. Okay. It needs a little more ice, though.
Yeah.
All right, what are we in for next?
Alright, so let's take a look at the rest of the savory stuff and see if there's anything else we want to try.
All right, we'll take it out.
Alright, so
Discover it.
Masala balls, which he does. Yeah, cured green chutney style.
Let's see what these are. So the green chutney chips is a staple across Indian households and local food corners. These chips reimagine that familiar taste in a snack form, giving you a savory burst of mint, coriander, chili, and lime in every crunchy
Oh,
curl.
wow, that sounds good. Want to try it?
Well, let's see what else we have.
Oh,
and then
right,
we'll
right, right.
decide. Yeah.
We got mad angles, chips.
All right. This is Achari Masti. Let's read what these are about. These are triangular chips bursting with tangy Indian pickle flavor, a zesty and punchy with chili lime kick that lingers. So I will not be trying those. I do not care for pickle flavor.
We also have masala peanuts. Pretty self-explanatory. And this, I have no idea what this is, but I'm pretty sure it's savory.
All right. These look to be maybe some sort of cracker. Let's see. Maska Chaska biscuits. Buttery, salty crackers with a hearty kick. Melt in your mouth. Perfect for snacking solo or dipping into chutney. All right, that's these. What do you want to try?
First one, definitely.
The first one?
Yeah, the one in the green packaging. Not the Cheetos, the other one.
This one.
Yes.
Made with rice, corn, and dal. There is how they look. Go ahead and take one. This is pleasant.
Let's go.
I like those.
Me too.
So for the savory, we have the Oh, I'm sorry. We have the sweet. Okay,
Yeah.
you start because I have the rest over here.
Alright, so we have these Fab Bourbon and bourbon, and I think they're chocolate cookies, like biscuits.
So these are chocolate cream sandwich between two dark cocoa biscuits, rich and crunchy with just the right level of sweetness and a hint of salt.
And this is the exact opposite to these vanilla cookie sandwiches. It's called Magics.
So let's see if there's any interesting thing about that or if it's just what it says. These are light, crispy biscuits with a hint of sweet cardamom flavor. These aromatic treats are perfect with chai or on their own. Ooh, yes. Perfect with chai. I like that.
We also have hide and seek banana collection taco hazelnut filled biscuits. Also pretty self-explanatory. It's a liquid center too. We have chocolate chip cookies.
Wait, can I just tell you there's some heat taking in from that last chip?
Yeah, me too. I can
Yes.
feel it.
These are Cadbury Choco Bakes. They are a chocolate chip cookie.
And I'm pretty sure these are like Mentos, but they're full of
Those are on the first page. All right, so these are hard candies that taste like a fizzy cola. Sweet and tangy, nostalgic. They melt slowly in your mouth, releasing waves of real cola flavor.
That's nothing I want.
I am going to give this to one of my coworkers who loves Coke.
And we also have these Jira cookies. They're like little biscuits, I think.
Now, I am not necessarily seeing those. They have something else in here that is a savory cumin cracker with a flaky texture and earthy spice. Each bite is toasty, aromatic, and perfectly salty. That doesn't necessarily look like these, but because the ones in the picture seem to have some sort of like rye or something in them, but maybe they are the same. The packaging also looks different, but it could be the same.
With the front sound.
This says Dusra Jira cookie, and this just says Jira cookie, but it's probably the same,
Yeah.
is my guess. So here's the picture of the cookie, and then here is the package. So I'm guessing they are the same thing now. All right, next we have a chocolate package.
We have Hershey's Season cream chocolate tubes. That looks good. We also have, just like melted.
I think that's wet from the cold pack. These are Nutty's sugar-coated chocolate-covered cashews. Nice.
Also have these crispy chocolate Cadbury sticks.
Ooh. Oh, yes. Yes.
And we have butterscotch Snickers.
Oh, that's different.
Chocolate coated wafer. So it's a little Kit Kat, but in a packaging. 5-star Oreo bowl of Cadbury.
This is going to be interesting. So these are supposed to be the Dessert Delight Tempting Truffle, but these appear to be regular ones. But we were supposed to get the Tempting Truffle ones. That looks very rich. That looks very, very sweet.
Yeah, probably the This thing, I have no idea what that is.
So this is a Cadbury Fuse. It's a chunky bar featuring a caramel layer with chocolate mousse and peanut filling.
And then this is just like another taster, basically. A lot of Cadbury stuff here. I didn't even know. Like, I know they had Cadbury over there, but I didn't know it was so popular.
And the perk is layered wafers coated in a Cadbury chocolate. So yes, pretty much the same thing as Kit Kat.
So what do you want to try?
Well, I think we should try these mainly because the packaging indicates that we must. Oh, thank God it's wrapped inside.
That was the coffee bowl.
Yeah. So actually, we don't have to because it wasn't wrapped inside. So, that being said, what do you want to try?
Oh, I know what I want.
You want to try that?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to try the Hershey's Choco Twist cookies and cream.
Good.
So here is how it looks, and there's the inside.
I couldn't eat a full stick of this, but it's good. It's too sweet. I think the whole stick, but a little bit good.
Mm-hmm. I think because of the white chocolate. I think because of the white chocolate.
Yeah.
Makes it so sweet. Right. I say we try these. No, wait. Which cookies have the cardamom? Those. Let's try these because they've got a little cardamom in them. All right. So it's thin cookies and a thin cream
The
inside.
cardamom in the cookie.
Oh, yes, it is in the cookie.
It's also a little lemony.
It adds a nice flavor to it, though. Not overly sweet. I like it. So that is our India box. Now, stay tuned because when I ordered this, I did order a case of all different flavored Fanta Colas. So we will be periodically trying those out as well. But otherwise, what was your favorite snack? Like sweet, or do you like savory?
And would you rather have our videos from shorts or
For the Fanta tasting.
Yeah.
Would you like us to just taste them on different days, mash them together into one, or do them as shorts like we did with some of our advent calendars? Let us know in the comments below, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully we'll see you soon.